Hi guys, in today's video I will show you step by step how you can easily create this pros and cons slide, and you won't need any keyboard to switch from one text box to another. All you need to do is just a mouse click on this box, and you can do it as many times as you want. If you like the idea, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to color our background. Go into format background and select the color. We will do black. Then we will need 3 shapes. We will select rounded corners, all 3 shapes. Let's do one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy and paste. Okay, and copy for the third one. This will be used as toggle to switch from one text box to another. And let's make the sides rounded. To do so, just click on the yellow circle and drag to the right, like this. Select both rectangles and let's remove the outline. We will leave the outline for this one. Let's color this into the same color as the background, and we will color the outline in green, but we will make the line a bit bigger. Now we will insert also a circle. To get an even circle, we hold Ctrl Shift and insert the circle. Now let's insert some arrows. Now select all the arrows, go into shape format, align and distribute horizontally. This way the same distance will be between all the arrows. And let's put them right in the middle. In our case, let's remove the outline for the circle as well, and we will color it in the same green color. Select all the arrows and let's group them by hitting Ctrl G. And let's color them into red color. Next step is to insert our text for our titles. This will be pros box and this will be cons box. And we will insert the rest of the text to the boxes. Okay, we have our text, and the next thing we're going to do is to color the shapes. So the left shape pros will be green and the right shape will be red color. And we will select pros and cons text and we will make it glow as well. To do so, select the text, go into format shape, text options, select glow option, and you can use a preset or you can adjust it. So choose the same color, the green color, while on the green box it won't be visible. However, when we will change the box color to black, to check how it looks, just drag the text out of the box. Looks good. And we will do the same for this, just the red color. Okay, so now we will duplicate the slide. While on slide number 1, we would like the left box, the pros, in green color. However, we will let this faded, so we will change the color to black. And the text color will be changed like this, so we still can see that there is something, there is a text here, but we cannot see what. We will simply know that this is a cons box. That's slide number 1. On slide number 2, we will do the same, but for the first box. Okay, and on slide number 2, we will need to change the toggle to the right side and change the color. To move this, just hold Shift, so you keep the shape on the same line, copy the white of the arrows, and turn them to the left side and make sure it's the same white and drag like this. And now we'll change the color, the outline color, the circle and the arrows. Now select both slides, go into transition and add more transition. Let's change the duration to 1 second. Okay, and one more thing will be quite handy to move from one box to another without using arrows on your keyboard and just the mouse is to go into insert, shape, and pick a rectangle shape. Make sure it's the size of this shape excluding the circle. And now let's remove the outline and make no fill. So we have the shape, but it's an invisible shape. Go into insert, link, and we will link this invisible shape where we are on the slide number 2. So we will link this invisible shape to slide number 1. Going to place in this document and choose slide number 1. We will copy the invisible shape to slide number 1, move on the right side, let's remove the link and add another link. So from slide number 1 we will link it to slide number 2. The same way, place in this document and choose slide number 2. So now when you go into the presentation mode, you see that if you hover over the toggle, you have the option to click. Once you click, it changes to cons, and your presentation haven't finished yet because you have the option to go back as many times you want. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and find it useful, please give it a like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.